Good morning, you guys. Hope you guys are having a great motherfucking morning, you guys. Look, these are the vitamins I take every single day, you guys. The recommended amount is 2, but I take 3. I don't know. I just gotta overdo it, you guys. It makes me feel good. All right, you guys. Right now, I'm gonna have my first meal of the day. I have my creatine right there. The protein I just smacked across the thing. And I have my peanut butter, you guys. And we're about to bring out the bananas and the water bottles here in a second. There are the 2 bananas, you guys. Pretty old. I don't like that, like, old bananas. But, I mean, I still gotta do what I gotta do. Get this shit down. Get these calories up, you guys. And get big on these stupid bitches. There's the water bottle. A full water bottle, you guys. Trust me. You gotta get used to this. This is not an easy thing to do, you guys. You pour that shit in. Now you want to crack open the peanut butter, you guys. Grab a spoon, but scoop it, bro. That's like 5 teaspoons worth of peanut butter. Don't be scared. You gotta get big. If you're not doing this, you're not gonna get big, you guys. Trust me. This shit changed. It kind of changed my body a lot, you guys. Like, I started feeling way stronger, bigger, fucking cooler. Like, it just did me good overall, you guys. You guys should definitely try this shake out, you guys. I'm gonna leave, like, the creatine, protein, all these ingredients in the description, guys, so you guys can get them if you guys want to. Now that we have the peanut butter and the full water bottle inside of the blender, you guys are gonna want to grab your bananas, open them up, put them in there. You just gotta be fast, you guys. You guys got all this other shit to do throughout your day. If you guys are productive, you know, you just don't want to be a lazy ass bodybuilder. You gotta work on your mind too, you guys. Read books, invest. Right now I'm reading the book called The Psychology of Money, you guys. I don't know if you guys heard of that, but I'm currently reading that one. It's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, you guys. I'm gonna leave a link to that book in the description so you guys can give it a read. Let me know in the comments below, what books are you guys reading to improve your guys' self. At last, you guys, we finally put the whey protein in there, bitch. Now we're gonna blend this shit up, you guys, and slam that motherfucker. Alright, you guys, this is where it really comes down to how bad do you fucking want this, you guys. This sucks, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, this hurts, but I gotta do it every single day. Like, look at me right now. I'm about to die, but I do it. As you can see, you guys, this is my second meal, you guys. A little grilled burger from Chick-fil-A. You guys had ketchup, buffalo sauce, the waffle fries. Oh, let me, you this fucking meal from Chick-fil-A. I want to try everything. Oh my god, that looks so good. I want some of that shit right now, you guys. Oh my god. Oh, that got me hungry right now, you guys. But look, another picture because I forgot to show you guys how I prep my fries, you guys. You guys gotta sprinkle in that ketchup on top of that buffalo. Oh, sorry, you guys. My mic cut out. But then I don't know where the fuck the burger went, you guys. This just disappeared. Like, where the fuck did it go, you guys? I'm just playing. You know already. I fucked that up. I cleaned the fucking tank. You guys think I'm fucking messing around, you guys, but we're not, you guys. Back to back. I got home, made some chicken and rice, had a little bit of salsa valentina, you guys, with some goldfish, and I fucked that shit up. I cleaned the blood. You guys don't want it that bad, you guys. I'm showing you guys what I eat, how I got to become this little skinny motherfucker to this big ass motherfucker. Look, I know a lot of people that tell me like, oh, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, and they don't fucking do it, you guys. But you guys are not that because you're watching me, and we don't fucking quit, you guys. And I know a lot of people that tell me that they're gonna do something, and I obviously know that they don't fucking do it. That's not us, you guys. Just don't give up, you guys. Consistency is gonna make it or break it. If you're consistent with what you do, even if you're not that good, you guys, but if you're consistent, what's that phrase, you guys? Look, it don't even fucking matter, you guys. If you guys are consistent, it's always gonna be talent every single fucking time, you guys. I love this. I always say this shit to myself, you guys. The man who loves walking, my God. The person that loves walking will always walk further than the person that loves the destination, you guys. It's not about the destination. You gotta keep going, you guys. There's always something better ahead. You're never gonna have enough. And that's what fucking sucks about this bullshit process, that you're never gonna feel fucking satisfied with yourself. You're always doing better. And I just wanna let you guys know, personally, I am proud of you guys. You, right there, motherfucker. I'm proud of fucking you, bro. I got a roof over my head. I got 2 monitors. I'm happy as fuck. I got everything I need to live a good life, you guys. But I always wanna improve myself, and that's what life is about. Press because you guys aren't doing shit with your fucking lives, and wonder like, what the fuck? Like, you're being lazy playing Call of Duty, not doing shit. Like, I don't even upload to my fucking gaming channel. Like, I don't even play video games no more. That shit's kind of boring to me now. I like to read books. I like to study. Just do all this kinds of other shit, you guys. Like, I don't know. I'm not much of a video game person no more. I played a game of Rocket League and I just got bored. I lost. I'm like, this is boring. It's not getting me nowhere. But we're gonna be going to the gym in a little bit, you guys. I just wanted to get that little spiel out the way because I just wanted to really say, like, good job. You made it. There must have been moments in life where you were like, or not even in life, just in this year, they were like, fuck, I don't know if I can do this, but you did it. You overcame it, and you're right here listening to me, talking to you guys, and you did it. Let's do it again, but do it better. By the way, you guys, thank you all you guys for the fucking support for for the keyboard video. I know that was kind of random, but I just wanted to show you guys my new keyboard. Yeah, it sounds nice, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna just make an unboxing video. And let me show you guys. It has gotten like 500 views, and you guys, that's crazy to me. 500 views? Look at this shit. No subscribers, but look, I'm happy as fuck. Someone put a dislike. God damn it. But yeah, look at that. The best sounding keyboard on the market. I know how to get you guys with that. Not get you guys, but like that's what happened. And the thumbnail was pretty good. It took me a minute to get a picture like that. Look, 535 views, 12 likes. Thank you, whoever liked my video. I appreciate you guys. Thank you, you guys. Even if it's 2 likes, I'm glad I made 2 people happier. They just found the video informational. Like, oh, let me get this fucking keyboard. And if you do want to get the keyboard, there's a link down below, you guys. It's still cheap. You guys should get it. Love you guys. You guys take care. See you at the gym. The fuck? So we're gonna start with one of my favorite chest workouts, you guys. No, wait, not chest workouts. My favorite back workout. What's it called? Or chest row. Whatever the fuck this machine is called, you guys. I did a warm-up set of 10, and then I moved on to 2 plates for another warm-up set of 10. And then I switched over, or is it 10 or 8? I think I did 8. Then I started my actual sets, you guys. I added on the 3rd plate. There we go. So here, look, you guys, listen. To get that good stretch, you want to hold it at the top for like a second. Bring it down slowly and bring it up slowly. Not as slowly, but just normally. Normal reps, you guys. Hold it at the top. That's the secret to everything in getting big, you guys. Hold it at the top. Feel that squeeze. Now we're going to drop set it to 1 plate. I did 15 reps. We're going to move on to the lab pull down machine, you guys. I'm switching out the attachment. I don't really like that weirdly gripped one. I usually go with the standard pull-up bar grip. I also did a warm-up set of 8 with lightweight. I moved it on, changed the weight to 185, you guys. Bring it down. Try to hold it, because I know this is harder to hold the weight at the bottom, but try to hold it, you guys. And just rep out those reps, you guys. I did 3 sets of 10. I took off the pump cover. I felt small today, but I know I'm getting bigger. You always gotta push, you guys. I'm doing it, drop set it at 15. And that's the secret too, you guys. The pause at the end of the rep and drop setting, you guys. Even pyramid sets are dope. Moving on to the 3rd and final back exercise, you guys. I try to hit all my back workouts consecutively. I used to do like back, then buys, and back and buys, and back and buys. But I felt like if you really target that back, hit all 3 of your workouts at the same time or one after the other, you're gonna have a way better pump and a way better feeling in the next morning, you guys. You guys are gonna be like sore. Overall, you guys, you gotta switch it up, you guys. Cause I used to tell myself like, oh yeah, chest day, back day. Like I was scared to switch it up because I didn't think that shit was gonna work. But yeah, you guys, that shit boosted my progress, boosted my muscles. I just felt way stronger, you guys. You guys should give that a try. I'm checking out the pump, you guys. It was getting there. Now we move on to the biceps, you guys. What the fuck? Well, we go on to the Z-bar. I'm doing 70 pounds, you guys. 3 sets in 8. 3 sets of 8, you guys. It was kind of harder because it was a heavier weight, but try to squeeze it at the top, you guys, at least for a second. I know I wasn't doing it here, so I can't really be hypocritical about that. But go heavy or get the fuck out of the gym, you guys, because you're not making anything. Then I moved on to the bicep curls, you guys. I did side curls, 4 sets of 10. And I'm pretty sure this was my last bicep workout because I was really feeling it after the back workout. Oh shit, I forgot to take on my pump. God damn. I was looking good, you guys, but you could always look better. Here, last meal of the day, you guys. Steak and rice. I was eating that shit so good, you guys. I was so hungry. I was so hungry after this. I couldn't really drive home and make another shake because I had to stay at my mom's because I drive a Mustang and you know those fucking things aren't good for snow. Even with a little bit of sleet on the road, it's gonna be spinning out. So I just turned around and came back to my mom's and slept there for the night. That was it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care, you guys. I love you. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below what else you guys want me to see. What else you want me to see? What else you guys, man.